APA reference. To begin with, you have to get the definition as well. It is an author date style, so the citation in the text consists of the author's name, the year of the publication given by holding the brackets. Then let's take a look about the structure as well. Rules of author's cell initial. Initials are separated and are ended by a period. Multiple authors are separated by commas and ampersand. Example: Bonsu KJ, Kunzum B, and Alika U. Author's surname initial. So multiple authors with the same surname initials add their name in square brackets. Date published. Date refers to the specific day of publishing, but do remember to keep note of that. Remember, if the date is unknown in this place, use n.d. Title of source. The format of this changes depending on what is being referred. Location of publisher. You can locate the city and country which must be stated. Retrieve from URL. This is if the source is an out. I welcome you to the channel again. This is Mark Official, and today we'll be learning something new and something different of all kinds. Today we are taking a look at the APA reference making. To understand the concept, I have already explained that concept in the previous video, so hope you check it out and see. So let's continue with what we want to do today. Today we want to do something simple enough so that it will be easy for everybody to do. To start with, let's launch our word and also our how do I say it? Our browser. So after launching the word, continue from there. Then after launching, also don't forget to launch your browser as well, because you need both to do the work. It's really important that you have to get these two before you do anything. Okay, with today's problem, it will be simple, but let's start with the word and see what we can do with the word. After launching your word, you move your mouse pointer to blank document. You click wait until it responds. Then you move your mouse pointer to the tab, those to the home. Then you go to insert, design, layout. Then you click on reference. Under references, you see table of contents, footnotes, smart lookup, research, citation, biography, and others as well. Just critically look at the biography under the citation, then you click on biography, then you select references. You see it will say that there are no sources in the document. So after you have done all your work, you need to get the understanding of what you are really doing. You have to make sure to keep an eye check on this. Here you click here first, you click here, then you move here, then you select references. Now we have to open this as our source. Then we can see that we have to create a new source manager. But before that, we have to move back and head back to our main domain as well. So let's head back to our browser. Then let's continue with what we were supposed to do. And the two-door around 24, so I ain't going back, bro. Sorry guys, sorry. Okay, now let's head on. To continue, we are heading back to our main problem. So today's problem is, let's say we are looking for the, as the question says, the major causes of the 1948 riot. Then you press enter, wait for it until it comes. You see, we have so many. Says we have about 4,250 research sources. So then we have to find our own way to get what we need. Let's say if I say I want this one, I click left click, so I right click and to open a new tab for me. Then I head on, then I head down, then to read more what are the courses as well, and so on and so forth. If I also want this, because I would have time to read all of them, then we move downwards a bit. You also see why the commissioner was formed. We have to look for things that we want to learn from, not what it is already there. So we also want this, then this one too. Then I think it will be simple enough. Then let's head on. Now we have opened at least about 4 or so. Then we open up the first, that's the BBC witnessed history. So we can see that it says that you can click now to listen. That's only you want to listen. You click, you download, then you listen to what the words in there are saying. If you may get anything from it, then you pick it. If not, then you leave it like that. So now after I have downloaded it and listen carefully, let's see if we play, then it will move you to different source. Nope. So let's just head back and see what we will get. You see it's loading to play.
BBC. Your work, the BBC. Now witness. In 1948, Ghana was rocked by rioting after Ghanaian veterans of the Second.
So this is what we really want. So we see to this as a witness, but it seems to be of an audio dialogue. So since it's an audio dialogue, you head back to your word, then you click on new from the previous steps you already done. Then you click, you see there's types of sources, type of source. Then you click, you make sure you find what suits what you just saw. So it is a sound recording. So who was the composer? It seems like it was BBC. Then who were the performer? So as for the performer, we don't know the person actually. It might be one of the journalists in the BBC, but we don't know. So let's head back and find what we really need. So moving back here, we find the title here as our major. Then I copy the website, head back again to the document, and I say, oh, it didn't give me a site, so I have to head back, find it, find my URL. It's very important. Then you can even add the audio too. So let's say if you want to download the audio, what site would it give you? So let's have to copy the link of location, and I head back again and add it. So when did I access it? 2020. Which month? May. Which day? On the 16th. It's very important to do this. very, very, very important. Since I don't know where the providence was stated, so you have to leave it like that. Then you click on OK. The source exists in your doc in the master doc. Do you want to update on both? Yes, just do it. And you see it has really happened inside what I just did. Then you close it back. Then you update the citation again. You see it has been added. So you have to change the font size of it. Head back, move to home, then you use your Times New Roman, then your font size of 12, then you move head to your head line of paragraphing 1.5. Then you are done. So we are done with it. So guys, this is how we do the APA reference. It's really simple and simple, very, very simple to understand. Hope it's simple enough for you guys. And anyway, thanks for watching. Hope the next video would be successful enough. Thank you. Hello guys, I welcome you to the channel again. It's Max Mark Official, and today we're learning something new and something different of all kinds. Today we are taking a look at the APA reference making. To understand the concept, I have already explained that concept in the previous video, so hope you check it out